Aging is a natural and beautiful part of life. It's a journey that brings wisdom, experience, and countless memories. It's a privilege to grow older and experience all that life has to offer. From new adventures to cherished moments with loved ones as we age, it's important to prioritize our health and well-being. Regular exercise, balanced nutrition, and mental wellness are key. By adopting a holistic approach to aging, we can enhance our vitality, energy, and overall zest for life. Embrace mindfulness, stay active, and nurture your passions. Let's unlock the secrets to radiant, healthy aging in 2025 and beyond. Together, we can make the golden years truly golden. The food we eat plays a crucial role in how we age. It's not just about counting calories or following the latest diet trends. What we consume daily can either accelerate the aging process or help us maintain a youthful glow. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains provides essential nutrients. These foods are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that our bodies need to function optimally. These nutrients protect our cells from damage and reduce inflammation. Inflammation is a key factor in many age-related diseases, so keeping it in check is crucial for longevity. Antioxidant-rich berries fight free radicals, which accelerate aging. Including a variety of berries in your diet can help keep your skin looking youthful and your body feeling vibrant. Fatty fish, like salmon, are packed with omega-3 fatty acids that support brain health and reduce inflammation. These healthy fats are essential for maintaining cognitive function as we age. Leafy green vegetables are loaded with vitamins and minerals that boost energy levels and support overall health. Incorporating greens like spinach, kale, and arugula into your meals can make a significant difference in your vitality and well-being. Regular exercise is like a magic potion for youthful aging. It strengthens our muscles, improves cardiovascular health, and boosts our mood. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Walking, swimming, and dancing are all excellent options. Find an activity you enjoy and make it a part of your routine. Inner peace for outer radiance. Stress, takes a toll on both our mental and physical health. Chronic stress can lead to premature aging and increase the risk of age-related diseases. So it's really important to practice stress-reducing techniques such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, or yoga. These practices calm the mind, reduce stress hormones, and promote relaxation. Skincare secrets for a youthful glow. Our skin is often the first place we notice the signs of aging. It can be disheartening to see those fine lines and wrinkles appear, but it's important to remember that aging is a natural part of life. Fine lines, wrinkles, and age spots are all part of the natural aging process. However, with the right skincare routine, we can significantly reduce their appearance and maintain a youthful glow. But we can take steps to minimize their appearance. Incorporating anti-aging serums and treatments can make a noticeable difference. Protect your skin from the sun's harmful UV rays by wearing sunscreen daily, even on cloudy days. Use a gentle cleanser to avoid stripping your skin of its natural oils, and moisturize regularly to keep your skin hydrated and supple. Exfoliate a few times a week to remove dead skin cells and promote cell turnover. This helps to reveal fresher, more youthful skin underneath. Remember, healthy aging is a journey, not a destination. Incorporate regular exercise, like yoga or walking, to boost circulation and overall well-being. Start incorporating these tips today to unlock your radiant, healthy aging potential. Consistency is key, and over time you'll see the benefits of your efforts. You deserve to look and feel your best at any age. Embrace the journey and celebrate the skin you're in.